We're looking now at a scarce and attractive 1771 circa engraved, copper engraved map by Thomas Kitchin of London. It depicts all of Asia, including Arabia, the Arabian Peninsula, which has very dry deserts here and sandy space. It depicts the Mughal Empire, Tibet, Great Tibet, China, Siam, Cochin China, Borneo, the Philippine Islands. Interesting configuration to Japan here. We see the blank margin has been trimmed very close to the neatline in the upper corner here of the quadrant, the graticule for latitude and the longitude where it intersects here. If we turn the map over, what we'll see is an old paper repair done to this tear here. A tiny little section of the blank margin has been supplied in old paper there. There is a short little repair here, but this map displays still quite nicely its original outline hand color, and it's currently now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.